Hello, students of class 4th. A very hello to all the students. I hope you all are doing well in this lockdown period. Though it is a harder time for us, but the studies must go on. जैसे कि आपको मालूम है कि हम लोग लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हैं और हम लोग को इसके साथ साथ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के थ्रू स्टडी भी करनी है। तो मैं आपका इस मैथ्स के फर्स्ट वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल क्लास में स्वागत करती हूँ। अब ज़्यादा देर न करते हुए आप लोग पिछले चैप्टर में पढ़ चुके हैं। पिछले क्लास में 9999 तक आप नंबर ने प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं क्लास 4th। तो अब हम आपको सिर्फ रिवीजन बता रहे हैं। राइट द न्यूमरल्स। न्यूमरल मीन्स numbers. So the first number I have written for you 4700 0 tens and 5 1. It should be written as 1000 100 tens and ones. Now the second number will be 5 3 6 and 9. The third number will be 7 5 8 0 and so on. Now the second number you have to write the number name. The first number name is 3824. It should be 3824. Okay, 3 is in thousand place, 8 in hundred place, 2 in tens place, and 4 in ones place. Same in the same way. Sorry. Second number will be 6940. 6 will be in thousand place, 9 in hundred place, 4 in tens place, and 0 in ones place. The third exercise is the 4016. It should be written as 4016. Then counting by twos. This all A, B, C, D, E you have learned skip counting in the previous classes. Then the place value chart. Okay, so in the place value chart the same thing will happen. It should be 1000 100 tens and ones. So 7 will be placed in hundreds place, and 9 is placed in tens place, 8 is placed in thousand place, and 3 is placed in ones place. Okay, increasing decreasing you all of you will know. Now we will study the place value chart. Like this, I have made a note for you. This is 5-digit number. Okay, 5-digit number means 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. First, second, third, first, second, third, fourth, and 5. 5-digit. Okay. For example, I have given you only for 1000 up to 1000 plate. But if you add a number before 8, so it should be 5-digit number 98247. It should be written as 9 10,000, 8,000, 200, 4 tens, and 7 ones. So the place value of 8 is 8,000 or 1,000. Like this, 9 is put in the place of 10,000, 8 is in the place of 1,000, 2 is in the place of hundreds, and 4 is in the place of tens. 7 as usual is in the place of 0. So standard form of this number will be 9 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 7. Okay. Now the place value means where the number stands in the period table. Period tables means lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Like it is given into your book. The place value of the digit 8. This is the number which is given as an example into your book. 52748. So the place value of the digit 8 is ones. The place value of the digit 4 is tens. The place value of the digit 7 is 700. The place value of the digit 2 is 2000. And the place value of the digit 5 is 10,000. So it should be pronounced as 10,000, 2,748. I repeat, 10,000, 2,700, 4,048. Okay. In the same way, the 4-digit number will be 5342. It means 5 is placed in 1000 place, 100 in 3 in 100 place, 10 in 4 in 10 place, and 2 is in 1 place. That means 30,000, 2000, 10 tens, and 2 is a single number. Okay. Now, as your book says, expanded form can be written as 10,000, 2,748. Okay, I hope I am clear with this. Now, in the exercise, read the following. It should be 110,000, 5,274. It should be written as plus so it is 10,000, this is 1,000, this is 100, this is tens, and this is ones. Okay. Now the second number, 3 10,000, 9,408, 5 10,000, 2,690. Okay. Now in the rough copy, do all the remaining sums of question number 1. Now question 2, we have to write the numeral. That's I have written for you 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, and ones. 10,000, this. 10,757, 10757. 26,425, 2 10,000, 6,408 and 80 or 5, and so on. Now write the numerals for each. This should be written as 2, 5, 3, 9, 8. This is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, and ones. It should be 40759. 10,759. Now your question number 9. It should be written as 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 5. This is the expanded form of 3,608 10,645. Okay. Now question number 11. It should be written as 4 10,000 2,873. Okay. Now counting by 5, write the numerals. 18621 plus 5 should be 18626. Okay. You have to write till 110,000 8,666. Now write any 5-digit numerals which are found by using the 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 without repetition. I solved the one for you. It should be 37532, or it should be 23578, or it should be 53728. You have to form the 5-digit number by using these digits only. Okay. Now I will repeat. Now you will study the place value up till now. Okay, let us do this exercise. Name the places in the ones period. Ones period, look at the chart. It should be ones, 100, tens, and ones. Okay, so ones period में कितनी आई 100, tens, and ones. Then in thousand place it should be 10,000 and 1,000 and 10,000. Okay. Rewrite the numerals using periods. 5374. 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Then 1,000, 100, tens and ones. The digits are, this is 4-digit number. Okay. When 5 digits begins, then you will write 10,000 like this. 10,000 to 10,000, 5,952. Okay. Same way in this. 4 10,000, 4,000, 44, 6,000, 8,594. Okay. Now look at the above exercise. It is the place value chart of the number name. Ones, 100, tens and ones. 1,000, 10,000, 1,000. And then after that lakhs. This is the Indian place value chart. Okay, this is known as Indian place value chart, which you have solved in this. Now for 1 lakh, we will read 100, tens, ones, 10,000, 1,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Like in this exercise, it should be written as lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. 5 lakhs, 8, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Okay. Now lakhs, 2, 10,000, 9,805. Okay. Now we will write the numeral 3,57,000, 3,57,825, 5,08,509. Okay. lakh के बाद then write the number name. So number name should be 270583. The number name will be 2,70,580. Very good. 83. Then the next number will be 6,47,095 and so on. Now in the next sum you have to write the place value of 5. The place value of 5 in 4,65,828,283. Place value of 5 will be children 1,000. Okay. In the next sum 5,290,47. The place value of 5 will be lakhs. I hope it is clear. I repeat, lakhs, ones, tens, 100 in ones place, 1,000 and 10,000 in thousands place, and lakh will be in lakhs place. In the same way, 100, tens, ones in 6-digit number. This is 5-digit number and this is 6-digit numbers. Okay. Ones में 100, tens, ones, 10,000, 1,000 should be in 1,000 and lakhs and 10 lakhs will be in lakhs. Done. I hope I make you clear. Now we will read the formation of greatest and smallest number. To form the greatest number with 7653, first of all, you have to write the greatest digit in 1,000. The greatest digit in 1,000 is 1,000, 100, tens and ones is 7. Then next smaller digit in 100, 6. Then next smaller digit in tens, 5. And the smallest in ones, 3. To form the greatest and smaller number with 5018. Like greatest हो जाएगा I have told you earlier, greatest 7-digit number is 8. Next smallest digit number in 100 is 1. Okay, 5. Then next smallest digit in tens is 1. And the smallest in ones is 0. Okay, then, and mind it, if we write 0158, then it will be 3-digit number. No counting of 0 before the number. अगर नंबर से पहले 0 बना तो उसकी कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं होती बच्चों. इसलिए जब आप ग्रेटर और स्मॉलर नंबर फॉर्म करेंगे तो 0 का ध्यान रखेंगे. अब आपको एक सिंपल तरीका बताती हूँ मैं. ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर को फॉर्म करने के लिए आपको इन नंबर्स को डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में, यानी कि घटते हुए क्रम में लगाना है. सबसे बड़ा नंबर पहले, उसके बाद उससे छोटा, उसके बाद उससे छोटा, उसके बाद उससे छोटा. और जब स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर आप लिखेंगे तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, यानी कि बढ़ते हुए क्रम में. सबसे छोटा, उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, उससे बड़ा, एंड सो ऑन. आई होप आई मेक यू क्लियर. आई रिपीट कि जब आप ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाएंगे तो डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे, यानी कि घटते हुए क्रम में, बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर की तरफ. और जब आप स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाएंगे तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, यानी कि छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर की तरफ जाएंगे. क्लियर? Now, successor and predecessor, you have studied in the previous class, but it's just a revision. Successor means +1 and predecessor means -1. Like I have given you example, successor of 7246, +1 will be 7247, successor, and predecessor मतलब -1, 7241 predecessor. To make a successor, you have to +1 in the given number, and to make a predecessor, you have to -1 from the given number. Okay, now I make you clear expanded form, short form, place value, Indian place value chart, successor, predecessor, and formation of greatest and smallest number. I hope I have made you clear. Any query, call on my personal number. Thank you.